Alright, now that we understand what a prompt is, let's move to our first and most basic technique, that is zero shot prompting. And this is how most people use AI, but very few actually understand what's happening. So in this video, we will learn that what zero shot prompting is and how it works with a simple example. Let me create a new file which is called zero.py. Let me copy all these codes to zero.py, and that's it. Now I am going to write pure zero shot prompting examples in this file. So let me explain what is zero shot prompting. It simply means giving a direct instructions to the model without any examples. You just tell the AI what to do and expect it to figure things out. Okay, so now let me remove this system. Now I am telling simple that what is I'm passing here, what is 2 plus 2 into 5. This is the question, this is the thing. This is simply nothing but your zero shot prompting. Okay, so what is happening here? I am directly asking a question. I am giving no example, no guidance, no format. This is a pure zero shot prompting. Wait, let's run this. Python 0.py. Now you can see, to calculate the expression 2 plus 2 into 5, we need to follow the order of operation PEMDAS. So multiply 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is what? 10. And add 2 to 10. 2 plus 10 is 12. And you can see the model gives me the correct answer. Now this works well for simple or common tasks, because the model already has prior knowledge from training, right? But remember, actually we are not guiding the model here, we are just asking and relying on its general intelligence, right? So we can also give direct instructions like you can give only answer coding questions, if not say sorry. This is still a zero shot because we are not giving any example. So formally I am speaking, zero shot prompting means giving a task to the model without providing any examples. So simply we are giving a simple task, then zero shot works great. Let's say if there is a complex task, then zero shot may fail, and this is where the real problem starts. What if the model does not understand your instructions properly? That's exactly why we use few short prompting, and where we will guide the model using some examples. So we will be watching few short prompting in the next video. Till now, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye everyone.